Keyword research is a lie, and I'm going to show you how you can rank any video on YouTube without doing keyword research. So look, I've got videos to show you, I've got examples to give, I'm going to show you and explain everything in this video. So here's a video, how to convert PNG to vector in Photoshop. It's made me $1,968 so far, and it continues to make me $120 to $81 to $99 per month. It is a passive income stream essentially, and it's one of thousands of videos I've got ranking on YouTube search. Here's the video ranking how to convert PNG to vector in Photoshop. Here's another one of my videos ranking how to upload photos in Google Drive and share the link. This is this video here, 450,000 views, $783, and it still is getting views every day and it's not slowing down. And this video makes me around $30 per month. Now, once you understand that you can rank for any YouTube video, you can essentially create a money-making machine that prints money every month passively. Now, all you need here are videos like this, 1 minute and 41 second videos explaining simple things, ranked number one on YouTube, earning $30 per month. If you have 100 videos making $30 per month, you have a $3,000 per month passive income stream. And it literally is that easy. All we need to know is you can rank any video on YouTube for any keyword, and all of these keyword research tutorials are missing the main point about YouTube, and that is to rank videos on YouTube, you have to create good videos. So I'm going to cover how you can find topics to create videos on. Then I'm going to spend most of my time explaining how you can get these videos to rank first in YouTube. Now you can outrank and compete with some of the best channels on YouTube if you focus on these two things which I'm going to explain at the end of the video. So if you're new to this channel, my name is Bradley and I own this channel here called Knowledge Base. Now Knowledge Base is a YouTube search-based channel. I've got 1,700 videos on this channel, all making me passive income every single month. I'm going to do an income report soon because we're going to hit a milestone number. So just subscribe for that if you want to see how much money this channel is making right now. But we essentially just upload videos on social media about business, about website builders, Canva, CapCut, Facebook, Twitter, literally anything that people are searching for, I create videos on and rank them on the first page of YouTube. Now, you can see here, creating simple how-to videos on search for topics. I'm not the only person doing this search-based method. There are hundreds of channels doing this, and they can all exist in this kind of like same realm because keyword research is a lie. If keyword research was real, then thousands of YouTube search-based channels wouldn't be able to exist and they wouldn't be able to make money. This right here, look, is what happens when you know how to rank videos and you're patient and you consistently upload videos over the years. You start to get a compounding effect where your views just go up and up and up. And this is what I'm going to teach in this video. So step number one, you need an idea to create a video on. Now I create all of my videos either on the phone or on computer. So that gives me access to create videos about Facebook, TikTok, Twitter, all of the like high tier or top tier social medias. I can create any videos on any social media. Then I can also create videos on my computer about video editing softwares, about business, affiliate marketing. Sometimes I create videos on Photoshop or Canva or Wix. And there are many different topics you can make videos on. Just kind of like think about what you use on a day-to-day basis yourself. Do you use a specific photo editing platform for your Instagram photos? Do you use TikTok a lot? Can you make Instagram videos? You've got to think here, what do you already have knowledge in and how can you use that knowledge to create videos? So first, choose a topic that you want to create a video on. So I'm going to go with TikTok, okay? I'm going to go to this website and I use this website a lot and it gives me ideas. It doesn't give me keywords, but it gives me ideas. So how to TikTok start sheeting. And we can let this go on forever and ever and it's going to give you unlimited video ideas. This is just a rough guide of what people are searching for. Now these aren't keywords, these are just kind of like ideas, like how to TikTok live on PS5 is not really a keyword, it's kind of like an idea. which we can build a keyword upon. So, how to use TikTok step by step. This is actually a pretty decent keyword. So let's go to YouTube and we'll just start to type in how to use TikTok. And then with the YouTube search feature here, we can actually get what people are searching for. So you got how to use TikTok in India, how to use TikTok shop, how to use TikTok template. These are all keywords, right? Now, no matter what keyword you choose here, you can rank for any of them. Any keyword you can rank for. And I know that's different to what a lot of people say if you've watched any keyword research tutorials, but you can rank for any of these keywords with this one simple trick. So let's just go, I don't know, how to use TikTok for beginners. We'll try and have a look at this. This keyword here, a lot of these keyword research experts will say this is a very competitive keyword, and I agree. But that doesn't mean to say you can't outrank any of these. This video ranking number 1 was uploaded 2 years ago, and it's 16 minutes. This video ranking number 2 is 1 year ago, and it is 8 minutes. Now, the key to ranking videos on the first page of YouTube higher than anyone else is to create a better video and have a better thumbnail than the person that's on top. So then we go and look at, okay, so how could we create this video better? Well, maybe we would have to watch it all, and we would have to obviously create a better video. How could we do that? Well, we could make it more direct and more straight to the point, because 16 minutes does seem quite long for a beginner's guide to watching TikTok. People with TikTok brain, they don't want to watch a 16-minute video. Maybe we can shorten this to about 8 minutes like this person's done here. Okay, so then we've identified one way that we can make this video better. Also, another way we can make it better is we can upload an updated 2024 guide. That's going to make it better. The next way, how can we make a thumbnail better? So a YouTube thumbnail is very important because YouTube are going to test your video on the search results when you upload it. And you need to have a strong thumbnail that catches people's attention. So when YouTube tests your video, and they will test it, they'll put your video in different slots on the YouTube search results, and they'll test it. And they'll see how many people view this thumbnail and how many people click on it. So if you have a better thumbnail than the one that's ranking on top, and YouTube see that people click on your thumbnail more than the one that's on top, they will start to push your video higher. So how can you create a good thumbnail? Well, I'm not going to act like I've got the secret to creating super thumbnails, but I do have a formula which works. And the formula is my face catches people's attention, the logo explains what platform we're talking about, and the text explains what this video is about. So without even reading this title, you know this is a Wix video which shows people how to change their website name. And I really do think, and I stand by the fact that my face catches people's attention. And if you were to put my thumbnail next to any of these other thumbnails here that are creating this video, how to use TikTok for beginners, my video will rank over time. Now, you've got to be patient when ranking videos, because this video here, I uploaded it in 2020, and 1 year later, it's not really ranking compared to what it is now, right? It's taken 4 years to rank. This is what the gurus don't tell you, right? They're not going to tell you that it could take 4 years. Now, I agree, you could go and find keywords with high search volume, low competition. But the truth is, if you make good videos, you will outrank any other video over time. So I would literally put all of my efforts into making good videos with good thumbnails, and I would just put all of my effort into doing that and repeating that process over and over and over again. So I would look at something like Keyword Sheeter that gives me all of these video ideas, and I would just go ahead and create the ones that I know I could make the strongest videos on. Like, you've got to look at your strengths, right? Like, I know a lot about affiliate marketing, and I know that I can break down the sign-up process for the Amazon affiliate program into something which people actually understand, into very simple English. 818,000 subscribers. I outranked them all because I created a better video than what was already ranking. Now, when you really understand how to create a better video, you can replicate this for any keyword. Now, I can't give you all of the game for free in this YouTube video, but I'll give you some nuggets. Creating a better video doesn't always mean a longer video. It doesn't always mean a more complex video. Oftentimes, creating a better video means explaining what to do in a simpler process and dumb it right down for the average person. When we're taking a topic like signing up for an Amazon affiliate program, a lot of people that are watching this, you have to understand, have never even heard of affiliate marketing, or they've only just been introduced to it. So you need to take the information and dumb it down into a very digestible, easy to follow video. And when you learn how to create good videos, that is when you will start ranking videos on YouTube. So I could take any of these TikTok keywords, and I've created a new channel which I'm currently experimenting with, which I'm going to show you the income every month. And I'm just creating these simple social media videos. Because if you create good videos, you will outrank everyone on YouTube. Not only good videos, but good eye-catching thumbnails as well. Now, I'm not saying all of these gurus are wrong and keyword research is not important. I'm not saying that. But I'm saying focus more of your time in creating better videos than trying to find a perfect keyword. You can outrank any keyword if you create better videos. So I'm going to leave it there. This has been the search-based method. This is what I do to create passive income online. If you want to go ahead and learn more, make sure you subscribe, and I'm bringing out something special very soon. Comment down below if you've got any questions. Let me know what you thought of my approach, and I'll see you in the next one.